just got done eating at the Jungle Bird. It's a Tiki bar here in downtown Sacramento, and they had a pop-up bar for Disneyland. So it was kind of a Disney mashup with the Tiki theme.
Yes, we had the poo-poo platter. It was good.
And you had the lava flow, and I had the poor unfortunate slush, which was like a lava flow, but instead of the strawberry, we got the ube. So that was kind of good. That was a special drink for this Disneyland pop-up. So this was a nice time. It was a really great early birthday celebration. Thank you, Ross.
It's going, and you're very dark.
Am I?
You're extremely dark. I can barely make out your mug.
Can you see it a little better? This is the poor unfortunate slush. It's sort of like a pina colada with ube in it. Supposedly it's purple, but you can't see because the mug is not clear.
Yeah.